What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's video, we got carbon mirror caps on E90 M3 pre-LCI cars. This process is actually going to be the same also for LCI cars, and I'm going to show you how to do it. We also have both cars today, the E90. Obviously, we got the E92 right here. Gonna get this car ready for sale. Obviously, it's already kind of ready. Car's clean, looks good. It's probably gonna go to a gentleman in Florida who I actually know through the community. So it's gonna be cool. It's gonna go to a good place. He had a Java Green F80 individual, super cool car. He hit me up yesterday. So I think we're gonna make something happen. For now, we're gonna get into mirror caps. These are my old ones. You see it has the wing. I don't really love the whole wing, and this one is jacked up. So we're gonna get right in. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. So today we're doing carbon mirror caps. My carbon mirror caps are pretty destroyed. Take this one off and show you. So getting these off is actually really easy if you've done this before. That's it. I don't have any broken clips or tabs or anything like that, but check out this mirror cap. That's grody. Normally you just use a pry tool, but this one has come off before, so it's actually really easy to get off. So we can kind of toss this. Might put that on Marketplace for like 50 bucks. You're gonna have 4 tabs you want to line this up with. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna want to line it up with the corresponding tabs in here. See these right here? That's all it is. And that's it. That's how they go. Literally, that's all it is. Pop it in. No more wing mirrors. Thank God. Fresh carbon. Looks good. There's the old one. Clock down. I got the tripod set up right now. Shout out Shimmy off and let me use the tripod. We're gonna hit the other side real quick. Over here is literally just gonna be the same thing. That's it. Obviously it's easier to get the wing mirror off because you have this to kind of push. But that's literally all it is. Take our fresh one. Super fresh. I got these like a year ago, and this car's just been on the back burner, so I haven't put it on. So this is me putting it on, obviously. That's it. It's not going on any more than that. All right, we're done. I don't know what brand these are. Obviously, you can get these kind of anywhere. But that's it. No more wing. No more wing. Wing mirror is no good. No good. And then these is dirty. If anyone from the video wants this, just hit me up. I'll send them to you. This one could totally be refinished right here. You see all that? It's just a clear failing. Legit carbon. These aren't bad. I'm not really a big fan of the wing. I like the no wing better. More aerodynamic because it's a race car. Got a lot of cool stuff in the shop. E36. So I got one seat right now. But switching to black interior, this car's gonna be sweet. This car is getting pretty much everything underneath, all new. Love it, E36. Old clunker, but man, these cars are so awesome. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching the video. This is like a super easy mod. Make your car look pretty cool and relatively inexpensive. Just finished up the carbon mirror caps. This is a lot of people's first mod that they actually do on their car. Not my favorite mod in the whole world. I just happen to have these kind of sitting around and I wanted to do something with them. I still don't have a front grille. That's coming soon. Front grille and lower grills we're gonna do at some point. I don't know yet, but I will get them. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for the video. I mean, this is a super simple, like 4 tabs, pull it off, click it back on, make sure to line it up, and that's kind of it. But we're actually gonna make a separate video today on the E92 because this is gonna be the car's last drive. I'm not gonna drive it anywhere after this. Have a buyer I'm gonna hit up right now about it. Gonna take the radar out. That's pretty much it. It's gonna be all for this car. This was such a good car. But I'm gonna go ahead and make that video now for the E92. E90's all done. Guys, tell me what you think. I really want to get an M Sport rear bumper. Kind of clean this up a little bit because this bumper is like totally awful. I mean, dent, there's glue residue, this is jacked up. I kind of like it because it makes it more like sleeper with the single turbo, but I don't know, man, we'll see. We'll see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh yeah, don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed the video.